Since McCrory's department store closed in downtown Lewiston, most thought the building was for the birds.
That closed down in the early 1980s. Since then, nothing's been in this building except some pigeons.
But when Argo Marketing CEO Jason Levesque saw it,
we knew going into it that we'd have to take everything down except for the walls.
He saw opportunity.
Our vision for this building is for it to be a one-of-a-kind facility in the state of Maine.
In 6 months, this is the transformation Argo Marketing wants to make. The building would house a new call center, 250 employees, retail space, and a cafe. But it's going to take a lot of work.
It's about as tough as it gets.
From removing asbestos to building a new roof and walls.
See this beam right here?
It's going to cost $2.4 million.
Anytime you're renovating existing buildings, you're dealing with codes that aren't up to date anymore.
But it's not as if this was Argo's only option. Expanding the business elsewhere would have cost 40% less. But this is a decision about more than dollar signs.
But it's really the excitement of building something and watching something grow and develop and having that sense of pride in community and pride in my workforce and pride in doing something that other people haven't been able to do.
This larger building right here is Fuel.
It's happening all around this section of Lisbon Street in Lewiston.
Yeah, sort of a pioneering spirit that, Lewiston was sort of that downtrodden old mill town, and all of a sudden there's all sorts of wonderful things happening.
Lewiston's Economic Development Office says in the last month, they've had 12 inquiries about renovating other old downtown buildings.
It's about an investment in the future of the community that we want to be part of for decades to come.
Breathing new life into old buildings, making economic development about more than the bottom line. In Lewiston, Danielle Waugh, News Center.